Hello fellow YouTubers. Guess what I did today? $971 worth of batteries. That's right, brand new batteries. We're going to find out by the end of this video whether or not this cart is going to run or not. Stay tuned.
Start it up.
I took a quick trip down the road to Jim and Mel's Golf Cart Emporium to get new batteries and trade in the old core ones. Jim and Mel's always keeps T-105s in stock, so they had plenty of them for me when I got there. Naturally, I'm going to have to take these batteries back out again to replace all the metal, but I absolutely have to know, is this motor any good? And am I going to have to be replacing a lot more expensive parts? We're going to find out. One potential problem I see is that a cable on one of the solenoids is completely corroded off and come into two pieces. That'll need to be replaced. One thing that it's vitally important to remember is that when removing a nut from here, you need to get a grip on the nut that's at the base of the solenoid to keep it from twisting inside the body. This would completely destroy this solenoid. So this has got a 9/16 wrench that goes on the back and a 1/2 inch on the front. Holding it in place, just loosen the initial tightness off of it, and then the rest of it can be done by hand. That'll make for a clean removal from the terminal. Putting the nut back on is basically the reverse. You need to make sure that you've got the 9/16 wrench holding the back nut in place while you tighten it. And there we go. Everything's wired up according to the diagram I have on my website. Okay, fingers crossed. All right, let's try the reverse. Let's turn the key the opposite direction. And well, it looks like that was a success. I'm very happy to find out that this is not going to be a waste of my time. Anyway, that'll conclude this particular episode of rebuilding the Harley Davidson golf cart. I've got some more work to do on the front of it, and I'll be getting to it next. Be sure to subscribe and like on this video and hit that bell so you get notified when I put the next episode up. And until then, we'll see you later on. Thanks again.
Start it up.